health mean to you? It's one of the essential goals humans have strived to master since the beginning of civilization. Our ancestors acquired great knowledge of botany and medicinal plants. Pioneering scientists explored our anatomy and developed anesthesia and surgery. They built microscopes to discover a world invisible to the human eye, increasing our understanding of germs and epidemics, which led to the first vaccines and antibiotics. These breakthroughs saved billions of lives. Today, disruptive forces are leading the way in the biopharmaceutical industry. More than 7,000 medicines and vaccines are in the global pipeline right now. Precision medicine, gene therapy, and artificial intelligence are key innovations. The challenge will be to bring these new treatments to patients faster and safer. That's why we need smart engineering solutions and services for life science manufacturing. We at Masco Group are ready to contribute to this mega trend. What does it take? First and foremost, industry and process know-how, a deep understanding of the whole pharmaceutical value chain. Second, be it standalone technologies or integrated projects, we have it. From basic design to dynamic engineering, consulting, manufacturing, and services. Third, we're confident we will deliver, as we've been bringing innovative solutions to global markets for over 100 years. We know that the biopharma revolution requires need for speed to market, flexible manufacturing platforms, and end-to-end capabilities. Together, our international team of specialized companies strives to improve health and make life better around the world.